Hey Novelty fam, welcome back to another Graphic Mondays with your girl. So today I'm showing you how I created this super cute Easter bunny graphic design inspired by a Pinterest pin. The pin info is on the screen, and if you like to support the original creator, but if you're more of a DIY kind of person, I got you. Let's jump into the tutorial. Alright, so I started off by heading to the Elements tab and searching for frames. I picked a simple rectangular frame to build the base. Once I had it placed, I duplicated 3 times, lined them up side by side, and then I duplicated that row. This would leave you with a total of 6 frames. I adjust them to fit neatly across the canvas. The next thing I did was I slightly leaned each one of the frames to the side just to create a dynamic as you've seen in the first original graphic design. Next, I went back into the Elements search backgrounds. This is where y'all can really personalize your design. Think glitter, florals, pastel patterns, whatever vibe you're going for. I picked a few that gave me that fun Easter feeling, and then I dragged them into each frame. After placing everything where I wanted, I downloaded the design as a PNG with a transparent background. To be honest with you, originally I was going to show you guys how to keep going without having to download by just adding a shape behind the frame, but I didn't want to overload this tutorial. So if you want to see that method, let me know in the comments and I could break it down in another video. Okay, back to regular programming. Okay, so since we already downloaded, we're going to delete this and then we're going to upload again. So I uploaded the image right back into the Canva and hit the edit image. Then I went into shadows to give the design a little dimension. You can change the color of the shadow if you want. Just scroll down right into where it says shadow down to the bottom, and you could pick it from there. I usually pick something that complements the background vibes. Okay, so let's get into the fun part, which is the Easter elements. So I searched for the letter E and I scrolled until I found a style I liked. The one I picked eventually let me change the color, which I love because it allows for customization. Okay, so this is the part where I'm just gonna play a little music and vibe while we find the rest of the letters. Remember, we're spelling out Easter.
Before the world wakes up, before the noise takes over our rise, I pray, I manifest. And then I slay for every dream I've written down, for every goal I refuse to let go. This is the movement, this is the mindset. Keep dreaming, stay soft, and let's build the life we love. Wake, pray, slay, that's the way I start my day. Keep dreaming, stay soft, let's build the life we love. No days off, alarm rings, time to rise. Another day to claim my prize. Hit the floor, hands to the sky, say my thanks, now watch me fly.
Alright, so let's move on to the next. What I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to search for bunny feet, and I'm going to choose a solid design, not just an outline. We want something that pops. Now we're going to do the same for the bunny ears, cute and bold. Now that we got them, we're just gonna go ahead and select so it all just stays in formation. We don't want things moving about once we've set it where we wanted it.
But I put in the work, I put in the time. Every little win is a mountain I climb. I don't chase, I attract. What's meant for me will come to me. My dreams are valid, my work is worthy. Every sale, every step, every move, I am aligned. My success is inevitable.
Okay, so next we're going to add happy. You can either type it in here like I'm doing, and you can use the Canva graphics, or you can just use text. You could type in happy, and then from there you could go ahead and search the font that you like. Or there's another option of going into apps, and from there you could just use one of the Canva apps to create the letter font design in which you prefer. Alright, so as you can see, it's blending in and you can't really see the letters. So we're going to go into here, go to shadows, go to outline. Once again, you can change the color of the outline to fit your design. For me, black is what it is and black is what we're going with. Okay, so once you got the color and everything down packed, all you have to do is just go ahead and adjust it to a position that's best suited to you.
Vision board ready, got goals in my sight. Orders rolling in, yeah, the future looks bright. Busy don't mean I forget who I am. My hustle is style, success in my hands. From my Tumblr to my tea, every piece is part of me. Where my power sit, my dream. I stay grinding, I stay seen. Manifest and move, I make it real. Every step I take, every dream I feel. Novelty queens, we don't just wait. We create, elevate, and dominate. Sunrise, hustle, moonlight plans. Emails, design, supply, demands. But I never lose sight, never forget that I'm a queen and I manifest. Busy days, but I stay in control. Sipping my dreams while I reach my goals. No slowing down, I was born to rise. The crown is mine, no compromise. Manifest and move, I make it real. Sunrise, hustle, moonlight plans. Emails, design, supply, demands. But I never lose sight, never forget that I'm a queen and I manifest. Dream is on fire, do it never die. Dream is on fire, do it super die. Dream is on fire, do it super die. Manifest and move, I make you real. Every step I take, every dream I feel. Novelty queens, we don't just wait. We create, elevate.
Okay, so right here, all I'm doing is adding the carrots and I'm just situating them, the way I like it. I kind of went off the design a bit and kind of started to do my own little thing, but it's still in the same direction. Okay, so that's our Easter Bunny design for this week's Graphic Mondays. Super easy, super cute, and beginner friendly. If you end up trying this, tag me. I'd love to see your creations, and don't forget to drop a comment if you want me to show you the other method without downloading. I'll catch y'all next Monday for more creative fun, and as always, keep dreaming, stay soft, and let's build the life we love. Bye, Novelty Fam.